Okay, I'm doing a video here to show the LED signal lights I got off eBay. They're actually pretty good for the price I paid for the fronts. They're roughly $12, and here they are. It's a decent fitment. And for the rear, they were roughly $7. And here it is here. Very simple, very straightforward. Those prices also include shipping. And I'm going to demonstrate the brightness. So here's the front. It's pretty decent. And the rear, once again, pretty decent for the amount of money that you pay. You can't really go wrong with this. Okay, and that's it. Thank you very much.